Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you the complete step-by-step process of installing and setting up OpenClaw on your Mac. OpenClaw is an open-source AI assistant and autonomous agent platform that goes far beyond simple chatbots. It can actually perform real tasks for you directly on your computer or server. So, let's jump right into the installation. First, open your favorite browser and search for OpenClaw. The first result should be the official site from OpenClaw.ai. Go ahead and click on that link. Once the page loads, scroll down a little until you reach the Quick Start section. On macOS, you can use this simple one-liner command to install OpenClaw. There are also options with NPM or Homebrew, plus a companion app in beta that gives you menu bar access and works great alongside the CLI. I strongly recommend using this one-liner curl command. Important note, one of the prerequisites for OpenClaw is Node.js, and this command automatically installs Node.js plus everything else you need. It works on macOS, Windows, and Linux. Let me copy this installation command now. I'll minimize the browser, open Spotlight, type terminal, and launch it. Once terminal is open, paste the command and press enter to start the installation. You'll see it detect your operating system and the install method, and it will use the latest version. The installer checks for Homebrew and Node.js. Both are already installed on my system. If they're missing on yours, OpenClaw will install them automatically. If you prefer to install Homebrew and Node.js manually for more control, I have separate videos on that. Links are in the description. Once all prerequisites are ready, the setup begins and it automatically starts the onboarding process. In earlier versions, you had to run separate commands, but this latest one-liner includes everything. You'll first see a security warning. OpenClaw is still a hobby project in beta, so it's recommended to run it in a limited or virtual environment. It can execute powerful commands, so use sandboxing and least privileged tools, keep secrets safe, and choose strong models. After reading the warning, use the arrow keys to select I understand this is a powerful and inherently risky tool, then press enter. In onboarding, choose Quick Start and press enter. Next, you'll see the list of available models. Since we're using Ollama, I'll select skip for now and press enter. Then choose all providers, select enter model manually and press enter. For the model name, I'll just enter a placeholder Ollama/DeepSeek R1. This is only an example. Press enter. You can skip the channel's configuration for now, so select skip and press enter. Same for scaling options, I'll choose no and continue. For hooks, press space to select skip, then enter to confirm. Once everything is selected, it starts installing the gateway. After the gateway is installed, the service launches. In the final step, it asks how you want to hatch your bot. The recommended option is Hatch in TUI, which means you'll interact with the AI assistant directly inside the terminal using the terminal user interface. Leave it as default and press enter. You may get a pop-up asking to allow Node to find devices on your network. Click Allow. Now type hi and press enter to test. You'll notice the gateway token appears here. It's also saved in the OpenClaw.json file at the path shown. You can copy the full URL with the token. You'll need it to open the web chat later. I recommend saving this URL somewhere safe. Let me save this full URL in a text file for later. It's essential when accessing the web chat interface in your browser. We can double-check the token value as described. Next, let's install Ollama. Open your browser and go to ollama.com. On the homepage, copy the installation command for macOS. Minimize the browser, open Spotlight, launch a new terminal, paste the curl command, and press enter. It will download and install Ollama. Enter your Mac password when prompted. Installation is complete and Ollama starts running in the background. You can also find the Ollama app in Applications and open its graphical interface. In the Ollama app, you'll see cloud models and local models you can download. Now to launch OpenClaw with Ollama, copy this command, Ollama launch OpenClaw. Open a new terminal window and run it. It will ask which model to use. I'll select the recommended option and let it download Minimax 2.5 Cloud. Confirm the backup location and press enter. If you get a gateway failed to start message, it's because another instance is already running on the same port. Go back to the first terminal and press Ctrl+C to stop it. Then run OpenClaw gateway stop. After the gateway stops, run Ollama launch OpenClaw again. Once it's running, copy the full local URL with the token. Paste this complete URL into your browser. This opens the OpenClaw web dashboard and chat interface. On the screen, you also have the overview window, which shows that the system is connected using WebSocket. You can confirm the same thing in the terminal here, where the WebSocket, host, and port are displayed. You can also see the token value here. This token was provided through the URL. The language is currently set to English, but you can change it if needed. This panel also shows how many instances are running along with other system information. Next, you can view the list of channels. At the moment, there is no linked channel, but you can connect one such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or another supported platform. Just follow the configuration process here to link it. You can also check instances, sessions, and usage. If you are using a paid LM model, this section becomes important. It shows the tokens used, daily usage, and other statistics. All the usage data is available here. You can also see how many Chrome jobs are currently running. Then there is the Agents section. Right now we installed Ollama Minimax 2.5, so the model being used is from Ollama. Here you will see the list of models. The primary model is set to this one. You can also add other models. The value shown here was entered randomly, so it will not work. If you install additional models through Ollama, they will appear in this list. Next is the Files section. Here you can add the agents.md file, which contains common instructions for your Elm agents. These files usually follow standard patterns used for configuring agents. In the Skills section, you can define different capabilities. If we open built-in skills, you will see around 50 available skills. From here, you can enable tools such as 1Password and other integrations. Then we have the Nodes section. This shows the devices connected to the system, including the terminal user interface and other nodes. After that, there is the Debug section and Logs. In Logs, you can review all the activity related to the gateway. You will also find Documentation. When you open documentation, it takes you to a web page explaining how everything works. This video is only a quick overview, but the full details are available on the Documents page. Now let's try a simple example. Suppose I want to create a Hello World program. I will type write a C++ program and press enter. The system will use the Minimax model to generate the response. As you can see, it created a Hello World C++ file in this location. Instead of only returning text, it generated a file called hello.cpp and also suggested the command to compile and run the program. Now let's try another example. I want to see the configuration and specifications of my computer. So I will type list my computer's configuration and specification. I did not specify that I am using Mac operating system. The system automatically checks the environment, runs several commands, and gathers the information. You can see the response here. It executed multiple commands and returned the full system details, including MacBook 14, the chip, memory, storage, display, and other configurations. So that's it for this video. You now have a quick overview of OpenClaw and how it works on a Mac operating system. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.